anya biko. Gịnị ka m ji isi kotenu biko? Ụlọakụ. Ụlọakụ.
Mama.
Biko bịa, come. Sit down. Come and sit down. Sit down! Ụlọakụ.
Yes, Mama.
I want to ask you a question. Ụlọakụ, what is the way forward?
Way forward?
Yes, way forward.
Mama, I don't understand. What do you mean?
You don't understand?
No, Mama.
I will tell you. Ụlọakụ, every day, suitors keep pumping into this family, into this compound. They keep coming and going, and you keep rejecting them. Like, why? When are you going to stop rejecting suitors that are coming your way? And when?
Mama, have you forgotten that I am engaged? Mama, why do you keep pushing me to disappoint a man that has already given me his word? Why?
Also engaged.
Ha.
Engaged, Dekwa. See, honestly, I don't understand you and James. I don't.
Very soon you'll understand.
Will you shut up? If a man that has given me his words, this particular man you are talking about, has not even come for one day with a cup of wine with his people to say, I want to marry you. He has not. Yet you keep saying you are waiting for him. You are engaged. This, that. Actually, you know about
Mama, very soon he will come. He will come. It's
very
just
soon.
time.
Very soon. How soon is this very soon? Because you keep telling me every day, very soon, very soon. How soon? Mama. Is this very soon going to end, isn't it?
Mama, where is your faith? Mama, all we need is prayer. Just keep praying. Pray that things will work out as planned. Yes, just keep praying, Mama.
I should keep praying, Apia.
Yes, Mama.
I am praying, that is what I have been doing all my life. I have been praying. I have been praying. And I will keep praying. I will keep praying. I will keep praying.
Mama, I was doing something inside.
Hey, the one Maya. The one no matter changwa. I don't know mom gando eba kanka. Sini ya na-eche onye. Here. Hey.
You've been speechless since you came. What is it?
Suitors are disturbing me. They are disturbing me. They come to my house almost every day. And James, tell me, what is my fate?
You know you can't marry another man except me. We are engaged.
Baby, you know I truly love you. I have given you my heart and you know I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Listen, I wish to make you my wife as soon as possible. No doubt. But all I'm asking for is time, little time. Just be patient, okay? I will surely come for you.
Is that an assurance?
Mark today's date, mark my words. I will come for you. It's an assurance, okay?
Aduku Madu. Are you just going to the market?
Yes, so I hope the traders are not at it again.
My dear, today's own is a little manageable. We can manage it. That reminds me. Is your daughter Ulaku married? Yeah. Are you supposed to ask me this question? You are not. You are my good friend. If my daughter Ulaku is married, won't you know? Won't I inform you? You will. Won't I invite you? Of course you will. Why are you asking me this question like this?
I want to be sure. I want to be sure because there is good news for you.
I say good news.
Good news.
Hey, I like good news now.
A very good one. A very good one.
You mean it?
Yes.
Me, Uremma. I like good news. So, you want to go through me? I want to hear it. My ears are itching. Tell me.
See, you have to calm down.
Okay.
I'll come to your house and break it down bit by bit for you.
Okay, now if you say so. If you say so.
Let me rush to the market.
Please.
Greet your family for me.
I will, and yours too. Hey, Adu.
I guess you're going my way. Can I please drop you?
Hey, what is the meaning of all this? Why is it that some people cannot mind their business?
I'm sorry if I sounded rude to you, but I can't watch a beautiful dancer like you walk with your leg or stretch your leg.
Well, thank you, but I don't need your help. Just go before someone insults someone here.
I'll be glad if an angel like you will insult me.
Point of correction. I am not your angel. Rubbish.
Please.
Oh, no. No. You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh. Ure. My son Ifeanyi is back. It's not just that he's back. He's looking for a girl to marry.
Hi. Looking for a girl to marry. So how is he? Is he doing fine?
Yes, he's doing great.
I see.
Do you know what? He came back with a brand new car.
Hey, another one.
Yes.
Adubu. Another one.
Yes.
Oh.
God has really blessed my son.
Thank God. Thank God.
Hey.
Thank God.
Hey.
Okay, now, do you want us to go out and hunt? Do some hunts now. For good girls to marry.
Hey. Hey. Ure. That is exactly why I'm here.
Okay.
I want my son to marry your daughter. So that our relationship may extend to the next generation.
Is this what you're saying?
I hope you will not say no.
How can I say no? It's not in my place to say no. Am I the person being married? I know me that should say no.
I know. But you have to talk to your daughter while I talk to my son.
Oh, I see. I will do just that. Nemo. But you have not given me wine for that other car that you are talking about.
Hey, is that what you're saying deliberately? Don't worry. When next I will come, I will spoil you with drink. You can say that again. If you want. You are back already.
Mama, I did not go again. Something happened.
What is it? Hope all is well.
Mama, all is well. Mama, I think my search for a wife is over. The gods have showed me my wife.
Hi. Who is she? You know, we have some stupid girls in this village. You know that. And you know too that all that glitters is not good. Hope she's not one of them.
Mama, the way I see that girl, she looks decent. Immediately I set my eyes on her, my mind told me, Ifeanyi, this is your wife. Mama.
What is her name and the name of her parents?
Mama, when I saw the girl, I was carried away. I forgot to ask her name. But Mama, when I'm done with my investigation, I'll give you feedback immediately.
And I have a good news for you.
Are you serious?
So if you are ready to hear that undiluted good news, come. Follow me. Follow me.
Mama, I'm coming.
Gentlemen. Actually, I say, who? Which of the hand goes? Which of the hand is holding the stone? This one. Is this your final answer?
Yes.
Is that your final answer? Is that your final answer?
Yes. Okay, now it's your turn. Close your eyes. Close it. Now, open your eyes and
Whoa. What are you doing here? You got a whoa. What are you doing here?
May the peace of the Lord be with you, sir.
It was with us before you came. What are you now saying? Are you saying it as if we were lacking the peace of God?
Sir, I'm here to share the word of God with you people today.
Udoka, when did you become a born again, like an evangelist?
Oh, Sister Daisy, believe me, I slept in the cell of God for 2 days and 2 nights.
Can you shut up? You slept in God's cell for 2 days and 2 nights.
Yes,
Why
sir.
didn't God send you to firing squad?
Sir?
Because somebody like you deserves firing squad. Anyway, maybe because God didn't want to waste his bullets. You said you came to share the word of God with us.
Yes, sir.
Will it be enough?
Yeah.
Because only you need the whole word of God. When you came here, you were singing, you got the whole word. So that's how you need the whole word of God. You came to share with us. Have you finished making use of it? It's alright, no problem. Let me go inside and get my Bible so that you teach us, you share with us the word of God.
Yes,
Is that not what he said?
Yes,
It's okay.
please, I do fast. I will.
oh my God.
Of course, evangelist.
Speak to me. Oh, speak to me.
It's okay, they will speak to you, no problem.
Udoka, if you know what is good for you, you better leave. Because if my father comes out and see you, only the gods will decide your fate.
Calm down. I'm ready to die for your love. You know, I love you so much. That's why I disguise myself like an evangelist. You know, I'm an evangelist. And when I say I love you, I love you.
See, Udoka, I don't know what you're talking about. And I don't want to know. Just leave now. You know how it used to be now.
Udoka, leave.
Ada, I love you.
You love who?
I love you too.
Law.
My whole heart.
It's a law.
Udoka, better leave. You know how it used to be. Udoka, leave. My father is coming out. Udoka.
Preacher of love. Preacher of God. Look at him.
Don't mind him.
Came from nowhere, he came to preach for me. You came with good news. You came to preach for me and shout the word of God with me and my daughter.
Papa, leave him. Just give me.
Let me, Ades, have you now seen why I said anywhere you are going, I have to be going with you? This boy is tantamount of raping a girl at ease. That boy is deadly. The way I am seeing that boy, the way he's looking like a hungry deity, an ancient deity. That boy is deadly. I'm telling you. So this is why I said, let me be taking you anywhere you are going to avoid all these kind of men coming after you for any frivolous act.
Have you started?
Not started.
Have you started?
Look at Udoka.
Are we starting?
Evangelist Udoka.
Are we starting our game again?
The Bible says, love your neighbor as you love yourself. Right? So you are my neighbor now. I love you with the love of God.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's a lot for you. You should feed me too now. Romantic job. Play with it. Good day, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Is your father? You call him for me.
No, he went out.
He went out.
Yeah.
Who knows? Did he tell you where he went to?
No, sir.
Oh, I know where to get him. You can continue. Enjoy yourself.
The Lord is your strength, sir.
Sunday school teacher, faithful man of God. Sunday school teacher,
Let's continue now.
tested and trusted.
I love you.
Tested and trusted. Sunday school teacher, faithful man of God.
I've been waiting patiently just to have a word with you.
Chion, who is he talking to? Eh?
I don't know, but I doubt it's me.
Me too. I doubt so too.
You know I'm talking to you. I don't know your name, but you know I'm talking to you.
I think he's talking to you. I'll be in front waiting.
Listen, whoever you are does not matter to me, or whatever you want from me. Please, please, and please, I beg you in the name of God, leave me alone. Please.
Can I at least know your name? Why do you hate me this much? What have I done?
Let's go. Wow. That guy looks rich. I hope you're playing along.
Play along what? Eh?
I guess you don't know him. He is the son of late Chief Oberechi. He is wealthy. So, I heard he just bought a new car and he's looking for a wife.
Chinwe, wait a minute. Why all this introduction? Do I look like I care? Eh?
I just want to tell you, in case you don't know.
Please, let's go.
This one is very chill.
I am telling you, I don't know where this guy gets his. Okay, they used to have regular lights here.
Yes.
Sometimes he buy ice block. Okoro,
Huh?
do you know that I am one of the happiest men in this world?
Are you serious?
I am telling you, very soon now my daughter will become a woman of God. God has begun to use my daughter judiciously, in a gentle way.
Are you serious? But Tenkobo, I'm not happy with you. How you? You didn't tell me that you now have an in-law. You didn't tell me, your own brother friend.
Look at
Why?
How can I have an in-law and the world did not know? If I should have an in-law, the whole world will hear about it. In a gentle way.
Are you serious?
In a gentle way.
But what I saw today baffles me. I'm still surprised at what I saw today.
Did you see a ghost?
What I saw was more than a ghost. Tenkobo, how did you allow your daughter to be with a young man in your house, in your absence?
A young man?
Yes.
In my house?
I saw one black, tall young man that is dark in complexion, kind of slim.
Oh, okay. That one is harmless. No, he's not harmful. He's free. As a matter of fact, he's a member of my in my daughter's church. In a gentle way.
But Tenkobo,
in a gentle way.
That is not enough reason to leave her with your daughter in your absence. Do you know I even saw him feeding your daughter from hand to mouth, mouth to mouth.
Okoro, that person is. Did you say mouth to mouth?
Yes.
I don't believe you. That boy is a nice person. So Okoro, relax yourself. Don't worry.
Tenkobo,
that a goat is harmless is not when you give the goat yam to keep. Oh. I know what I'm saying. Children of these days, they can do undo.
If James is the goat and you're trying to refer as you don't give a goat yam to keep, let me tell you, if James is the goat, James cooks yam. That goat, you have
that level of trust in him.
I have. Okay, leave that boy. That boy is a God. In fact, that boy is a God sent. He was sent to come and transform my daughter. So let me ask you, Okoro, do you want to be more Catholic than the Pope?
I was only talking for friendship's sake.
Okoro, drink
anything that concerns you concerns me.
Of course, in a gentle way.
In a gentle way,
Okoro, drink your drink in a gentle way.
I will.
Mama, what is keeping you now?
I'm coming.
Mama, listen. If this did not work out, I will go back to the city and pick a girl for myself.
Don't worry. This one will work out. Eh? Don't you trust your word again?
Mama, these village girls are disgusting. That's the problem.
You see, not all of them. This girl that I will show you is different. Let's go before she goes out. Yes.
No, my sister. Eh? You're welcome.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
This must be Ifeanyi.
Yes, Mama.
Look at Ifeanyi. Look at how big you are. Times can fly you. The way that, hey,
oh,
you're making me blush.
It's God.
Don't blush, my dear. Sorry. You are welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
Your mother told me you bought a new car.
The one I came back is the 5th car. It's one of my cars.
5th?
Yes, Mama.
Oh my goodness, you are really doing fine. You are doing very, very well.
All thanks to God.
Oh, thanks to God. Oh, you're welcome, my dear.
Thank you, Ma.
Thank you. Ure, I hope your daughter Ola is around.
Oh yes, she is. She is. You people came at a very good time. She's in the please. Let me go and get her.
Yeah.
Please. Oh, you people are welcome.
You again.
Olaku, meet my friend, and this is the son. Olaku, what did you do that for? Please, let me go and get her. Just relax, let me get her. Eh? Oh, Adugu, I am coming. Let me get her.
Son, you know how ready.
Mama, this is the girl that I told you that I can give you sleep next night.
So, calm down. Calm down. Everything is under control.
Very, very sorry.
No, her mother is my childhood friend. And we have discussed about it. And she gave me her word.
Please, if there is any way you can. This world is a small place.
Oh, do one where?
Ulaku! Ulaku! Am I not talking to somebody?
Mama!
That was too rude of you.
Mama, what is rude? Mama, what is rude? Mama, just leave me alone.
Leave you alone? Eh? You couldn't even greet my friend. Or is she also one of your suitors? Is she?
Mama, I have told you. I am not interested in any man whatsoever. As long as it's not my James.
Oh, will you shut up? Don't give me that. Shut up! As long as it's not your James. Now you are so rude. This wasn't the girl I raised. At all. You were not the girl I raised.
Mama, can you just allow me to have peace in this house?
Oh,
can you just allow me to have peace?
Oh, yes, peace. How will you stand there? Which peace? You cannot have peace here. There is no peace for you here at all. The only place you can go and have peace is at Ifani's house. Go to Aduku's house. That is where you have peace. This wasn't the way I raised you at all. You have really changed. You have really changed. Okay.
What is happening?
Hey! Who am I seeing? My sister. These children we have, please, I want to say I am sorry on her behalf. I want to apologize on her behalf. She has been like this since today. I don't know what the problem is. Maybe she woke up from the wrong side of the bed. I don't know.
Don't worry. Don't worry. We have forgiven her already.
Listen, Mama. I love your daughter so much.
Oh?
Mama, your daughter has been giving me sleepless nights. I will not rest if I don't get married to her.
It's well. You will marry her. It is well.
Please. Biko. Please. Talk to your daughter.
Mama, please.
Talk to your daughter.
This is the best opportunity to solidify our childhood relationship.
I know. I can understand that. And I will talk to her. Definitely, I will talk to her. She is my daughter. And I know her so well. Whatever I want her to do, that she must do.
Mama,
yes.
Listen again. If you help me, Mama, wait. I want to still tell her something. If you still help me talk to her and she accepts, I will still buy you a car.
Oh. That is not even what we are talking about now. Mama, but whatever you want to do for me, fine. But for now, I will talk to you.
We have to be on our way.
Okay.
Thanks for your reaffirming words.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Adu.
Thank you.
Mama, my regards to her. Still tell her that I love her.
Of course, I will do that. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ulaku, please, my daughter. I am your mother. And I can never deceive you. I can never do that. Ulaku, Adubu's son, Ifani, is going to make a very good husband for you. I know that. And this is an opportunity you will never cease to grab. Grab this opportunity.
Mama, grab what opportunity? Mama, at times you surprise me. Mama, have you forgotten I have someone's ring on my finger? Mama, I am engaged, for Christ's sake.
Stop telling me this. Someone's ring on your finger. So what has he done to make us know that he has the ring on your on somebody's finger? See, you have to give him back that ring. Give it back to him so that he will come back to your senses.
Mama Chukwaju, God forbid. Give which ring back to who? Mama, I can't do that though. You know James and I have come a long way. And I can't go back for nothing. No, Mama.
You can't go back for nothing.
I can't do that.
You have to do that. You must do that. I demand that you do that. Yes, as your mother, you have to do that. So it has come to this. For you to now bandy words with me like this, Abi? Oh yeah.
I'm sorry. But I can't break up with James.
I would rather send that ring back to you if you won't give it to me. Or Guinea, what is your problem? Olako, Adugo's son is very rich. And he is going to take good care of you. And come to think of it, they have a very peaceful home. That is what we want in a family, in a marriage. Nikolumwan, please.
Mama.
Eh?
Mama, where is the Christ in you? I am surprised that you will easily succumb to material things. Hey!
Hey, Lekwano Maya Bikon. James, whatever you have done to my daughter, come and redo it. Come and redo it. Look at my daughter walking out on me.
If you my son, what is eating you up? Tell
Mama,
me.
You see the reason why I said I don't want to come to this village to get married. Mama, girls in this village are disrespectful.
My son, they are respectful. And they are wonderful people too.
Mama, girls in this village are very rude. They are disrespectful. You need to see the way that girl spoke to me out there.
If you calm down and talk to me. You don't have to judge an entire community just because of one person's misconduct. No.
Mama, that girl made me feel inferior. That girl reduced me to nothing. Mama, that girl spoke to me the way I felt so bad.
So, you mean she sounded so?
Mama, I believe the reason why that girl is doing this is because there is a guy in this village that is deceiving her. I believe that.
So, who is she? Who is this girl? Didn't she tell you her name? Ain't she? No.
Udoka, I have made up my mind fully. Since Uncle Tenkobo doesn't want us to date any girl from this village, hey, I'm going for his daughter again. For the second time.
Which of his daughter?
How many daughters does Uncle Tenkobo have? I'm talking about Adeze. I want you to help me on this one.
Don't even go there. Don't even try it. Try it. Do you want us to kill ourselves here now? Huh?
As in, I don't understand.
Adeze is mine. Adeze. The time Adeze has seen now, she's mine. And she has already accepted me as her current boyfriend. Make her shock you now. In case if you have not been shocked, let me shock you with this one now. Adeze now has accepted me as her current boyfriend. No, go down.
See, come on, will you sit down? Have you forgotten that I was dating Adeze before she left school? We were dating then.
This guy is like you're speaking in tongues. It's like the days I'm talking, it's not the way days you're talking. Her father, do you know that her father already knows, say, me and his daughter are in love?
Wait, let
me shock you with this one now. Let me shock you with this one in case you don't know. Very soon now, I'm going to propose to Adeze. Engage her. Not even propose. I'm going to engage her. I'll carry the drink now. I don't need the money. I will use and buy drinks and everything. I will use and go to her village. Meet everybody in her village for them to know that officially approve me as the men husband. So stay away.
Who's the one thing jagging out? I swear.
Me? Hey! This man has tried me. Hey, he said, still bye. He can try me in everything, but not where Adeze is.
I got run into you.
No, what is she alive? This way. Bye. Bye. No, I want to side you. He's running inside me. I want to.
Ngajago.
We are targeted to not do that. If I don't do that, it's 10 feet. 6 feet itself will not even accept you. It's 10 feet that I will not do.
Adeze don't suffer. Look at Adeze.
I don't blame you. I'm the one that came into this house. This house is not equivalent to uncompleted building.
Look at you like COVID-19. Come on, come on, virus. Adeze don't suffer.
Ogo. Ogo no kwanaya. Ogo.
Hey, this I just want to smile.
Oh yeah, who is that?
Ogo.
Here. You. Ogo. So, what are you doing in this place?
Ogo, what is wrong now?
What is wrong? Everything is wrong. Now, please, go home and tell your son that I said he should come and disengage my daughter the way he engaged her.
Who?
That your son.
Ogo, I am not there when they engaged. This is what the children did. Must it bring correct to us?
So for 5 whole years, you like it. You are comfortable with this. For 5 whole years, your son engaged my daughter, and he's not doing anything about it.
Oh God, come down.
Was that how you married your own wife? Was that?
You know the way that the trend of things these days. Things are not okay, fine. But I have agreed with my son. Soon we will come.
I don't want you people again. Yes, I don't want you people again. Don't come. Carry both your son and everything. Go. I don't want. Just tell your daughter, your son. Just tell your son to come and disengage my daughter. That is what I want.
Oh, we are going to be good in-laws.
Who is your
we are going to be good in-laws. Hey. What God has put together?
God has not put.
You won't put it asunder now.
Go and tell your son what I just told you. Go. Go.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you going to?
Oh, I'm going home.
Hey, please come. Please, there is something I want to talk to you about. Please.
Udoka, what is it?
Just calm down, please. The thing is very, very
important. Okay.
Yes.
It's important. Huh? Can it wait? Because right now I am rushing home. My mother is waiting for me.
Okay.
Let it wait now.
No problem. Fine. Bye.
Bye.
Does it mean she accepted my proposal? Hey! Why God? No, show me this girl since. I go to waste my time with that idiot, that stupid daughter of Tenkobu. Hey! Husband material.
Udoka. This dancing like this is like God has buttered your bread.
You are a seer. For this thing you said now, I'm going to give you one ball. I will give you one ball. But what happened be say I know money for my pocket now, but when I go, one ball.
Okay. So what's the secret? Waiting up.
Okay. You know the biggest DJ in town, I mean the best DJ in town. Do you know anyone? But what do I do?
I know one.
Are you planning on any occasion?
Because this man you see here now, he's getting married very soon. And my wedding is going to be the biggest wedding in the whole wide world.
Hey, that's good. So, if I may ask, this girl, this your wife to be, is she from our community?
See, make I tell you, the name of this my wife to be is still under the pillow. It has not been revealed. Because Makandi Mpiaga like you, because she feels see you now. Use your fanboyism now. Correct her from me. She never come like me again. Boy, go prepare for the BSC in time for me. But let me do my best man. That
Ade, we are fighting tooth and nails every day to put an end to this ugly situation. So I and Chioma decided to get for you notebooks.
Yes, Adeze, we brought it for you so that you could refresh your memories, you know.
Chioma, you both have done well. I really appreciate. My God will bless you both.
Amen. And have your father changed his mind towards that?
My father. He has. But the bad news there is, I will no longer be going to community school.
That school is a very nice school, though. That school has raised so many great women and men that are so important to the society.
Exactly. And it's not about the school. The matter is who attends the school. And you, Adeze, is not like he thinks.
I don't know how to convince him. I'm just tired.
We will miss you. Adeze, we will miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Hey, what other? Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
What of your mother?
She's fine, mama.
Oh my God. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama is Ola Kwaton.
Oh yes, yes, she is.
I want to see her.
Have everyone. You just look like your father. You look like your father. I'll call her for
you. Ma. Thank you.
No. Hey.
Okay, ma. Olako, my love. How are you doing?
Point of correction. I am not your love. I would not want to be addressed as such.
Olako, why are you scaring me away?
Because you don't belong here. I'm sure you're not blind.
Olako, listen. I love you. I want to get married to you. Olako, say yes to me.
You want to get married to me?
Yes.
Are you blind that you can't see this engagement ring on my finger?
Listen.
Don't you know that I belong to someone else?
Olako, I am not blind. I am ready to spend millions on you. Please.
Negodu, look at you. I am sure you're deaf. Or you're blind that you can't see this ring on my finger. I know that I'm taking.
Even if you're engaged, I will break the relationship. Believe me.
What am I even doing here with you?
Whether you're engaged or you're not engaged, what I know is you belong to me. I must marry you, Olako. Mama, Olako told me that she is engaged. If she even showed me the ring on her finger.
That is not possible. That is not possible because her mother has not mentioned such thing to me.
Maybe she is hiding it from me, or she doesn't know about the engagement.
Who engaged her?
That is what I'm yet to find out.
Oh. Don't worry. Maybe she is faking that engagement ring to know whether you're serious or not.
Mama, she spoke so serious about the ring. And my mind is telling me that she is engaged.
All the same. Calm down. Don't conclude yet. I will pay her mother a visit.
Mama, listen, you have to help me.
I will.
I love Olaku. Please.
I know. I will.
I'm tired. I have to go inside and rest.
But have you taken your food?
I'm hungry.
You're not hungry.
Husband Maria.
Udoka. This dancing like this is like God has buttered your bread.
You are a seer. For this thing you said now, I'm going to give you one ball. I will give you one ball. But wetin happen be say I know money for my pocket now, but when I go, nga one ball.
Okay. So what's the secret? Waiting happen.
Oje, you know the biggest DJ in town, as in, I mean the best DJ in town. Do you know anyone? But worldwide?
I know one. Are you planning on any occasion?
Because this man you see here, he's getting married very soon, and my wedding is going to be the biggest wedding in the whole wide world.
Yes, that's good. So let me ask, this girl, this your wife to be, is she from our community?
See, make I tell you, the name of this my wife to be is still under the pillow. It has not been revealed. Because my can't be like you. Because she feels see you now. Use your fanboyism now. Correct her from me. She never come like me again. Boy, go prepare for the biggest DJ in town for me. But you go be my best man. No, you know if you be my best man, because if you use your fanboyism now, collect them from me.
Hey, Adu, where are you going to?
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm okay.
Where are you going to?
I was going to your house.
Oh, to my house?
In fact, there is something my son told me about your daughter that has killed his spirit, even mine.
Yeah.
So your daughter is engaged to someone.
Please, this is not what we can talk about here, standing here on the road. Let's go to my house. Let us go. Yes, let us go to the house. Let's go to the house.
You mean that somebody tied your daughter down for 5 good years, in the name of engagement, and you kept silent?
My sister, how can you say I kept quiet? How can I keep quiet? You know me better than that. I did not keep quiet. There is no way I have not talked to my daughter. In the morning, afternoon, and night. In every manner I have talked to her. But everything seemed to have fallen on deaf ears. My dear, it's like something is really holding my daughter. Oh, when he heard something is holding her. When he heard you,
that man is heartless.
He's not only heartless, he is wicked. He's not only heartless, but very, very wicked.
But who is he? Is he in abroad?
I was thinking, abroad. Abroad where? He is right here in this village. Right here in this village. He He is the son of Emeka Agu. That is his father. And he is the Sunday school teacher. One day,
So?
Lenum, look at me now.
You see?
It is a Sunday
What
school.
did you say?
Sunday school teacher. So, yes. It is a Sunday school teacher that my Omaricha, my Akudanwu is dying for. Sunday school teacher that has nothing to write home about. That is the person that is holding my daughter hostage.
Oh, that boy. So, now what is the fate of my son? What is the fate of
Go back there, go back there. James, I came to tell you that, I am also aware of all the gossips that have been going on in this our community, in this our village. The way people run their mouth, the way they talk blab, talk nonsense. You understand? Each time I hear a gossip, I say, why are people bothering themselves over another person's issue? This is the case of someone drinking Panadol for another person's headache. I said, no. Let me come to this place and tell you in confidence that you don't have to believe, in fact, you don't have to give a listening ear to all these gossips. Do you understand? Allow them to do their gossip. Don't mind them at all. Eh?
Thank you very much. I don't care about what people say. Because clear conscience fears no accusation.
That is the spirit.
I don't know from alcohol.
That is the spirit. I love this. When me da ko fa alcohol na ejoku mnile. Akọ na agoga awa akọ nso. Akọ na ahia akọ nso. Obodi oze na akọ. You don't kofu akọ. The only akọ you kofu is in na akọ nso. That's all. You know. I wish this spirit now will enter into the minds of all these vagabonds. I call them vagabonds. You understand? So that they will know that you have this spirit. Do you know? Of recent, ever since you entered my daughter's life, my daughter has become a changed person. James, you need to see where my daughter is praying. Midnight prayer. My house has been turned into a night vigil ground.
To God be the glory.
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. Look at I say, how can people be talking about a holy man who respect? Look at, I'm even sure this is your pillowcase or this is your pillow. You understand?
Thank you very much, sir.
It's okay.
Please, there is something I want to show you. Hope you don't mind.
Inside or outside?
No, inside.
I hope you are going to be, fast about it because my daughter is at home. She's alone. I don't like keeping her alone. You're the only person, I'll also. Hey! James.
You have been engaged to James for 5 years now. Yet nothing has happened. My friend, when would you wake up from this slumber?
Chinwe, what do you want me to do? Eh? Am I going to force him to come and pay my bride price?
Don't you think he will dump you one day for another girl A young girl at that.
God forbid. Chinwe, why would you say something like that? Have you forgotten that James is a God-fearing person? He is the Sunday school teacher in my church. He has conscience. I mean, he can't even think of such. Please don't say that.
Ola, trust no man. Trust no man, Ola. Even the Bible stated it. If you are not afraid of anything, you have to be afraid of the unknown. Anything can happen.
Evangelist Chinwe, Chief Advisor, thank you very much. I guess this is the reason you invited me to your house, right?
Yes, but I've not stated my point.
Hold your point. Hold your point, Chinwe. Listen, if they sent you, tell them you did not see me.
Ola, are you going? Just like that? Come, is she angry or what? Somebody I'm trying to help. Keep somebody for 5 years, nothing at all. Well, I can't do that though.
Ulak, this one your face is like this. I hope there's no problem.
Is it not my mother?
Your mother? Is she sick again?
No, she's not sick.
Then what is the problem?
I don't know for my mother. She wants me to leave James, a mother I have been engaged to for 5 years now.
Why would she say a thing like that? You see, women with their sense of reasoning, they don't reason far. What they reason is what they are seeing. How can your mother tell you that you should leave James that you've dated for how many years because of this one thing? Don't worry yourself. In fact, let me even ask your mother. Don't your mother know that James is a true man of God? James is not just an ordinary person, a man God sent to this community to come and deliver and salvage our people. James, your mother should know that James is a potential rich man.
I don't know for how. But all I know is I am not going to marry any other man in this village except James.
You see, for this one, I'm solidly behind you. I am solidly behind you in this one. You understand? In fact, I will go and talk to your mother. Let me find time to go and talk to your mother and tell her to mind her business.
Please do.
Do you understand?
All this pressure telling me to marry, to leave James. I can't leave James so. You and I know that I love James so much. I can't leave him for any other woman. No.
Olako, I know that you cannot leave James, but me and you to know that you love James, that one I don't know. Because I wasn't there when the whole this thing. The only one I know is that you will marry James. But you and I, knowing that you love James, don't put me that side. I am not fitted there. You understand? But don't worry yourself. I'll go and talk to your mother when I find time.
Thank you.
And let me go home. Olako, God has answered your prayer. Your mother should know that God has answered your prayer through James. I wish every woman in this community, every mother, will have a son-in-law like James. Nobody will regret it. Your mother needs to understand that you have loved James for 5 years. James has engaged you for 5 years. And both of you are supposed to rest as a husband and wife. In a gentle way. Coming to put asunder or saying that you will marry another person is what I don't like. In a gentle way. Olako, in a gentle way. It's all anti. In a gentle way. Look at you.
Olak, I want to tell you, I want to ask you something.
What is it? Nobody is here. Tell me, what is it?
Please, will you marry me?
Yes, I'll marry you.
I am sure you didn't hear what I said.
Of course I heard you well and clear.
What did I say?
You said, if I'll marry you.
and what did you say?
I said, yes, I'll marry you.
Let me go to people. I hope I'm not dreaming.
No, my love, you're not dreaming. It's a reality. Okay, you know what? Come here. Mwah. Okay, you know what? I have a surprise for you. Just Close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Don't open it, though. Don't open it. Okay? Close it.
I hope you're not running away.
Okay. Now you can open your eyes. You know what? Catch me if you can.
I must catch you. I must catch you.
This one is sleeping. Udoka. Udoka! When did you come to my house and you're already sleeping?
Why do you wake me up?
See, I'm from the DJ place now. I don't get better DJ. We go do the work. And this DJ is very in don't they play music even since they born you. Even as I did, there are people just they come from Lagos, from everywhere to come book the guy. But I tell her, say make a reserve that day for you. Eh? So, he say we go pay him advance so that he no go collect another work. Stand up, make we go pay the guy advance.
Wait. I tell you say I need DJ.
You smoke? No be tell me yesterday say I look for DJ for you.
Wait. If you know the kind dream, why the dream now? Where you go wake me up from? You know they tell me this rubbish where you tell me now.
Udoka, like I don't see say you don't smoke. Leave this dream of a thing. Make we talk business.
Boy, no business we go talk here now. We pass this precious dream. What the dream? Maybe say where are they propose to my wife to be? You can't wake me up. In fact, for this thing what you do now, you are sacked. You are fired. I've terminated your job. He's the craze.
Did I do wrong now?
He's the craze. He's the craze.
Udoka. Udoka.
They play with my future wife. You can't wake me up.
Udoka.
Yeah, fire.
Hey, le kwanu manya o. Tenko Bonwa.
Oh, no.
This one that you came to my house is a very long time I saw you in this house. Now.
Forgive my manners, forgive me. You know, men and things are doing. You understand? You know, men and their businesses. You see men here, men there, trying to, put one or two together. You understand? Forgive me.
You are welcome.
I came with I brought something that you already have. Something that you already know. In a gentle way.
Thank you, but what I have. What is it that I have?
Of course, what is it that you have that you don't know?
What is it?
Your son-in-law. Your son-in-law.
Thank you. Do I have a son-in-law? I don't have a son-in-law.
Look at. You're asking me, do you have a son-in-law? You don't have a son-in-law. Look at what you're saying. Why are you speaking as if you don't know that you have a God-sent son-in-law? In James is your son-in-law. Let me tell you, James is a man that every woman wants for her own daughter. You see that young man, you may not understand. Because I have the enormous pendulum of degree 101, with which I dig out something. You see this young man, James. James, as a matter of fact, is a man that I know that very soon, James will be a big boy. He will be rich.
Thank you.
Oh,
did anybody send you to come here and convince you? Did James do that?
He sent me to come and convince you.
Yes.
Why? Nobody gave me anything to come and convince you. Nobody sent me to come and convince you. I came with good news. See, let me tell you, Ure. The better you begin to open your eyes and see what God has given to you, the earlier. Because this young man, if you there, you are doing all this and doing like blah, 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 blah. Somebody from somewhere come and take away James from you. You will lose what God has given to you.
But what are you even saying? Eh? Think about what are you saying? Have you ever seen someone engaging a girl for 5 whole years without doing the needful? Have you seen? Have you seen?
It depends on who engaged who. Do you understand?
Thank you. This your James you are talking about. Said he has engaged my daughter for 5 whole years. And in these 5 years, he has not even brought a cup of wine. A cup of wine to come and tell the family, I want to marry your daughter. He has not done that. No marriage ceremony, nothing. He just tied up my daughter. People are coming from right, left, and center, and she will say, I am engaged. I am engaged. I have somebody's ring. Have you seen it before?
Ude, I have to identify with your plight because even in the Bible, there are people Jesus called a man of little faith. You are sounding like a woman of little faith. Look at you. Ude, what I want you to understand is that in a note time, James will come and pay your daughter's bride price. You see these people, all these men of God that God called, even though I don't know the network God used in calling them. But these people that God called and said, I have chosen you to come and do my work. These people, they don't take fast decision. They wait upon God. Sometimes you see them taking a long decision like 5 years, 10 years. They are trying to hear from God because they don't want to take, a rational decision. Do you understand?
Is it good that this boy will always dwell on church this, church that, church this, church teacher, not doing any other thing except to say, keep my daughter? No, no, I don't like it.
You call him church
teacher? Yes, that is what he is.
And because he's a church teacher, you are afraid. Is that not so?
I am afraid. It's not because he's a bit. I am afraid the way things are going. I am so afraid. I am scared.
You are scared because as a church teacher, he may not make it. Let me tell you. Don't doubt the ways of God. It is bad. This man you call church teacher might become rich tomorrow. You don't know. But let me tell you. This man, since he entered our community, he has brought a tremendous change. That every woman wants him as a son-in-law. Ure, I don't want you in any way to miss this young man to any other woman. Because, do you know this young man? This young man has brought a great change in this community that I had to trust him. Of which I want you to also trust this young man. I trust him so much that I gave him my daughter. Do you know, ever since I gave this young man my daughter to take care of, or to look after, or to teach the ways of God, my daughter has changed. This man transformed my daughter from nothing to something, of which I want you to do the same. In a gentle way. Do it in a gentle way.
I am scared.
You don't have to be scared.
I am.
Look at you. I came to your house after how many years that you've not seen me. You could not even ask me, what am I going to offer me? Even if it is bitter cola. I want something greater than orgy. Do you have like fufu? Do you have it?
Is it what you want?
Ure.
Is it what you want?
Let's start from there. If you have more, you can bring. My name is has gotten at me.
No.
Okoro, who did I offend? Who did I offend? I have been reasoning this and I've been thinking, who did I offend? Okoro.
That is not what you should be asking now. What you should be asking now is, how do we ratify this thing? Who impregnated your daughter?
Okoro, that is the problem. That is a very big. There's no how I have not asked Adese. Who impregnated you? Adese has refused to say.
No, she must say something. You must force her to say something. She cannot just get pregnant like that. Somebody must have impregnated her. See, Go home and interrogate her. Let her say who is responsible.
No!
Yes.
All my good efforts.
Chai.